how to change your ChatGPT password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your ChatGPT application, or you can use the web version of it. It really does not matter, but you need to make sure that you're logged into your account, right? So make sure that you're logged into your account by simply tapping on the menu bar right here, and then if you tap on the gear like icon right here, you'll be able to see sign in. Simply sign into your account using all of the credentials, and then from there, after signing into your account, again you can tap on the menu bar right here, and then tap on the gear like icon. We'll actually get into the settings. From here, keep on scrolling until we find the security and login. Tap on that one, and then from here keep on scrolling until we find the option of password. So what you're going to do is simply tap on that option once you find that password option, and if you are registered via directly your email or password, you will actually be able to get that password option. But if you have managed via your primary identity provider like your Google, Apple, or Microsoft, then you won't be able to find the change password option, because you will actually need to change your Google or Apple or Microsoft password account in order to change your ChatGPT password too. So it is not relevant directly. So if you have used the manual option, you'll be able to find the option of change password on your security and login. Tap on that one, and then from there you'll be able to change your password. So yeah, that's it. You can see I do not have that because I have used Google to create my account. So yeah, that's it.